Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I have got a power bank brand SilverCrest. This I bought it from lidl. It's a German super shop. It has capacity 10,000 mAh lithium polymer battery, so including micro USB, 2 USB charging cable, practical built-in torch, status display, SilverCrest power bank, LED display for accurate battery charge indication, and it also give me 3 years guarantee, so it's pretty good. There is no English language. Okay, let's open the box. And it cost me just 20 euros, so it's not too much, and it's made in Germany, so I think it's good quality. Here is the power bank, cable, manual. Here I have English language, instruction. Okay, nice box. This is the back. Here I have a torch, as you can see. If you click for a few seconds, it will light up. Click for a few seconds again, and if you want to see the display, how much battery you have, see 49% I have. Here we have two output. One is quick charging 2.1, and is normal 1. Power bank, model, capacity 10,000 mAh, battery voltage 3.7, lithium polymer. Okay, made in Germany. Slim, is almost same size like my phone, as you can see. Okay, let's check how long need to charge it. Introduction, dark current symbol, power bank, trademark notice, USB, removable packaging materials, built-in battery 3.7 volt. Okay, dimensions, humidity, temperature, storage, output 8 years. I don't know how long need to charge it. Charging the power bank. Okay, to charge the power bank, only use power supplies with an output voltage of 5 volt and an output current of at least 2 amp. So I want to find how much time it needs to full the battery. Battery status, charging with the power bank. You can charge up to 2 devices at the same time using the power bank, so it's pretty well. I think it's good because it's Germany, so the quality is actually better. It's brand German, so I don't know. Clean storage disposal. I don't know how long need time to charge the battery. Maybe here the package is right. It's all different language. Sorry guys. I think it's need 4 hours to charge it. Anyway, oh my god. I don't know. Yes. Anyway, I don't know whether I did how long time need to charge. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope we will talk later. Thank you.